Pocket Conceptual Maths Grade 4. 2.13 Multiplication with three-digit numbers. Make sure you go through our previous video on multiplication with two-digit numbers to understand the process of multiplication with two-digit multipliers. Multiplication with three-digit numbers is easy once you understand the steps. Here 4321 is the multiplicand and 854 is the multiplier. The answer to multiplication is called the product. First, understand that the multiplier 854 is actually 800 plus 50 plus 4. We first multiply with 4, then with 50, then with 800. So, the steps are: Step 1. Multiply the number, or multiplicand, with unit of multiplier. Step 2. Multiply the number, or multiplicand, with tens digit of multiplier. We insert a 0 and multiply with 5. Step 3. Multiply the number, or multiplicand, with hundreds digit of multiplier. We insert 2 zeros in this row and multiply by 8. Step 4. Add to find the product. Let us go through the actual multiplication. Multiplying with units of multiplier. 4,321 into 4 equals 17,284. Multiplying with hundreds of multiplier. Insert a 0. 4,321 into 5 equals 21,605. Multiplying with hundreds digit of multiplier. Insert 2 zeros. 4,321 into 8 equals 34,568. Now, we add the 3 rows. The sum is the product. 36 lakhs 90,134. There you go. That was easy. Now you can multiply with three-digit numbers.